How to reopen closed Cash App account. First, grab your phone and open Cash App. Look up to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon, the little circle silhouette. From there, scroll past your personal details all the way down toward the bottom. Look for the row that says Support and give that a tap. Now, you'll see a list of help categories. Tap on Account and Settings. On the next screen, look for the option that says Can't Access Old Account and select it. Scroll to the absolute bottom of that article page and tap on Chat. This opens up a direct line to a live human. All you need to do here is explain your issue with Cash App official support clearly. Just tell them your account was closed and you need to start the formal appeal process to get it back. Now, if your app is acting up or won't let you log in at all, alternatively, you can try contacting Cash App customer support directly on their official website. Stick to the official channels, avoid anyone on Instagram claiming they can hack it back for you, and you'll get this sorted out. Now, once you get back into your account, click right here to watch my next video on how to add money to Cash App without a debit card or bank account. See you there.